Creating a brushstroke effect in CapCut for PC can be done using a combination of overlays and blending modes. Here's how you can achieve it. If you want to use these effects, then link is available in the description. First, open your CapCut and import all the clips you want to edit. Drag your clip to the timeline and then import brushstroke overlay on it. Adjust the duration of main clip as it matches the overlay, then select Overlay and navigate to Video Basic and set Blend Mode to Multiply. Now drag another clip and overlay to the timeline, equal the duration of both the clips. Afterwards, select the overlay and set Blend Mode to Screen. Add third clip and overlay and adjust their durations. Then go to the Remove BG tab and choose Chroma Key option. Pick green color from Color Picker. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what effect you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep creating awesome content.